Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. Today I am telling you Dalton's atomic theory. Okay, this is new chapter. According to some boards, this is atomic structure. Chapter name is atomic structure and chemical bonding. And some boards, this is Dalton's atomic theory. So Dalton atomic theory in all boards, CBSE board, ICSE board, in UP board, English medium. So dear student, this is the important topic from 9th standard to 11th standard for all types of students. So you have to prepare this topic. And in this topic, you can learn this topic very easily. I'm telling you what is Dalton's atomic theory. This theory was given by John Dalton in 1808. The main points of this theory are: number one, matter is made up of very small particles. Number one, the main point of Dalton atomic theory are: number one, matter is made up of very small particles called atoms. Number two, atoms can neither be created nor destroyed. Means atoms is individual. Atoms can neither be created nor destroyed. Atoms is individual particle. Number two, clear. Number three, atoms of same element are identical in their mass and properties. Atoms of same element are identical. Identical means same. Atoms of same element are identical. What is the meaning of identical? Identical means same in their mass and properties. Number 4, atoms of different element have different mass and properties. Number 5, atoms can take part in a chemical reaction. Number 6, compounds are formed when atoms of different element combine in a small whole number ratio. So this is most important theory, students. Look here, I am telling you Dalton's atomic theory given by brilliant scientist John Dalton in 1808. Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory. What is Dalton atomic theory? This theory was given by John Dalton in 1808. Okay, students, the main points of this theory are: number one, matter is made up of very small particles called atoms. So number one is matter. This is matter. Everything in this world is matter. Matter is made up of very small particle called atoms. Matter is made up of very small particles called atoms. So this is the first point that you have learned. I hope you can learn it easily. Matter is made up of, this is matter, everything is matter. Matter is made up of very small particle called atoms. Second point, atoms can neither be created nor destroyed. It means atoms are individual. Okay? Second point. Second point start from here. Atoms. Atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. It means, or that is, atoms are individual particles. Point number 3. Point number 3 is compounds of atoms. Point number 3 is atoms of same element are identical in their mass and properties. Atoms of same element are identical, means same in their mass and properties. Atoms of same elements are identical in their mass and properties. Number 4. Atoms of different elements. 4. Atoms of different element are different in their mass and properties. Atoms of different elements are different in their mass and properties. Okay students, fifth point is atoms are the smallest unit of matter. Atoms are the smallest unit of matter that can take part in a chemical reaction. Atoms are the smallest unit of matter that can take part in a chemical reaction. Number 6. Number 6 is compounds are formed when atoms of different element combine in small whole number ratio. Number 6. Compounds are formed when atoms of different elements compounds are formed when atoms of different elements combine. 6 point I am writing here. Compounds are formed when atoms of different elements. So look here. Compounds are formed when atoms of different elements combine in small whole number ratio. Student, I hope that you can understand all the points in Dalton's atomic theory. If you have any problem, any suggestion, then write in comment box. Like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your all friends. If you subscribe my YouTube channel, then you will get all types of latest videos, information related board exam for CBSE and ICSE board and other boards also. Okay students.